Hello, I'm going to make you a very special Greek dessert, which is called halva. The ingredients are very simple and it's a very easy dessert to make. The main ingredient is semolina, milk, sugar, almonds, and a little bit of oil. So I'm going to first introduce you to the almonds. These are the almonds. Normally, most almonds that you buy have the skin on, but we don't want the skin on. So we want to bleach them, I think. The easiest way to do it is you dip them in boiling water, which is what I did here, and then you drain them, take it out, and once they're really soaked in hot water, the skin just comes out immediately. You just hold it and the skin comes out. So if you cannot find peeled already, this is not a problem because it's very, very easy to do it yourself. It takes only a few minutes. First of all, I need to put 2 glasses of water and 2 glasses of milk, which I'm going to put in a pot. And the sugar. 1, 2, and 3. This recipe is easy to remember. It takes 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of semolina, 3 cups of sugar, and 4 cups of milk and water. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to warm this up so that the sugar dissolves. You can see the sugar is still it's slowly melting. And when it's nice and melted and warm, we're going to take it off the heat. See how the sugar has dissolved nicely? Let it get a little bit warmer, and then we take it off the heat. Now, we are going to put the 1 cup of oil, and we are going to add the almonds. There, we want the almonds to roast a little bit. There we go. You see they're starting to brown. And now we're adding the 2 cups of semolina. The semolina absorbs the oil. So you can see at the bottom of the pan, the semolina is becoming brown. This is what we want, but we have to stir so that it doesn't burn and that it browns evenly. And you see together with the semolina, the almonds also roast. You can see how the color has changed. And we're going to add the milk, water, and sugar. You have to be careful because it is going to add the cinnamon. You see how it's starting to thicken? This is exactly how we want it to be, because with time it will thicken even more. So I'm going to turn off the heat, which I'm going to put on the pot, and we're going to cover it and leave it to rest for half an hour, 45 minutes. Now the dessert is ready to be taken out of the pot, and we have to think about the presentation. So the way we like to dish out this dessert is to put it in a mold and then reverse the mold on a plate, on a platter. So we will do that. It can be tricky, it doesn't always work, and I hope that today it will work. So bear with me. Here it is. You can see how thick it has become. It's actually perfect. So we're going to put it in the mold, and it really smells nice. You have to really push so that it becomes firm, otherwise it will not come out in one piece. And now comes the tricky part. 2, 3. Yes, it worked. And now we can sprinkle it with a little bit of cinnamon. Try to make it at home, because these are all ingredients you can find here. Just cover it when you want to store it. You can store it in the fridge if you want. But make sure that it's covered, otherwise it becomes dry on top. But there you go. It's something different and something very tasty. I hope you will enjoy it. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much. This is a dessert I always enjoy, but I want really well made. It is sweet, but at the same time the almonds bring a balance, and the cinnamon also gives a great taste. And it's a light dessert. I think because it's a very interesting taste. I can match it with a nice red wine this time, which is a variety called Mavroudi. It's grown in Greece. It's something lighter than the Cabernet, and it's also available in Japan. And to your health, and thank you very much. Great. The dessert was great, but with the wine it's greater.